I'm Lee Francia. I am here in beautiful Barcelona. How can I get to Barcelona, Spain? What brought me here? This great opportunity with LTC Financial Partners. I have been an agent for 9 years. I've been with the partners for almost 5 years. I love every minute. If you're an agent or you're thinking about going into long-term care insurance to help people be able to pay for their care when they need care, this is the place to be. Not only are you placing business, but you are connected with the greatest group of people in the world, and you're able to get the dividends, which is something you'll never find anywhere else. Opportunity to own this company. So LTC Financial Partners is a wonderful, wonderful opportunity, and I invite you all to give it a try.
Hi, my name is Todd Grove, and I am one of the original partners at LTC Financial Partners. I've been in this industry now 19 years. I first started back in 1990, and I had not been in insurance at all, never thought I'd be selling insurance, never even thought about selling insurance, but saw a real opportunity to help people with long-term care planning, and came in August of 1990 and was Rookie of the Year that year. So the thing I just want to share with you is that you can be from another field, you can have really no sense of what it is to sell insurance, and because of what you're going to gain here inside this organization, you can turn it on a dime and be extremely successful right out the gate. I've been one of the top agents here in this company. Each year I've been here, I've also worked with another carrier and have been one of the top 10 agents for many, many years. So when I first heard about this opportunity, I had a number of opportunities to look at, and this was the only one that made any sense. And the reason why it made the most sense was because of the people involved, because of the experience that you have here, because of the marketing tools that you have, the opportunities to get into businesses, strategic partnerships with advisors. There's no organization that even begins to compare to LTC Financial Partners if this is where you want to be. This is it.
My name is Gary Melnikoff. I've been in the long-term care insurance industry since 1994. So I am one of the old timers at this. I'm referred to as the professor. People ask me, why should I be looking at this industry? And I can only tell you why I looked at this industry. Had been working for major corporations most of my life in senior management, and yet after 5 years or 7 years, that particular career came to an end. So I decided at one point in my life that I was no longer going to be on that chopping block and working for somebody else. It took me about 2 years until I answered an ad that in those days was a company named Amex Life Assurance. And what I saw in the long-term care insurance industry was not only an opportunity to grow my own company, have nobody over me, and to determine my earnings in the future, but also a renewal stream of income that would go on and on for the rest of my life. So here I am 15 years later, and I'm happy to say that my renewal income exceeds my first year income every single year, and it will go on and on after I am no longer here or have been retired to enjoy my lifestyle. So any of you that have ever considered a career change, there is no better opportunity, no better time than to do it now. So the question is, why should you consider LTC Financial Partners? The training is tops in the industry. The support is tops in the industry. You will have an opportunity to rub elbows on an ongoing basis and be in a think tank with the top producers in the entire long-term care industry, and they will be your partners. They will be going out of their way to help you grow your business because your success means our success.
Hi, I'm Patty Ann Barron, and I am from Cleveland, Ohio. I'm visiting this beautiful Barcelona. I earned this trip as a leading producer for Long-Term Care Financial Partners from the advertising industry. I came looking for something different just simply because this affected my life, took over my entire life with my parents, and I needed a change. I knew I wanted to help people. The best part of this career is the fact that you are in total control all the time. I put together my schedule. I know how hard I have to work. And it's all because as you own your own business, this gives you the ability to control everything. 3 o'clock, I'm home with my son. At 7 o'clock, I'm working. I need to sleep in a little bit. I can do that. The beautiful part of what we do right now is the fact that we know that we help people and we're in control of our lives. And you make a lot of money. I like that part too. If this sounds like a sales opportunity that you would like to look at, please take this opportunity and look at LTC Financial Partners.
Hola, I'm Rhonda Glean. I'm the sales leader in Southern California. We're here in Barcelona, and you too can be here. So let me tell you, I didn't come from a sales background. I was a physical therapist for 18 years, and I got a recruiting letter, much like you're seeing this recruiting video. So take advantage of something new. Get out of what you're doing. If you don't know about the insurance industry, renewals are the 8th wonder of the world. Okay, it's the sale that keeps giving. And if you got some brain cells left and you can follow a script, you too can be here. Ciao.
Promise of long-term care insurance as a career in 2009 going forward. Well, coming from 1994, I can tell you, and you've heard it before, time has never been better. Time has never been better. Never have renewals, the stream we come here for, been tested as much as they have been in the last 6 or 8 months. It's phenomenal. Nobody wants to have these policies, lets them go. Once people start thinking about these policies, you know something, until they make a decision to get it, they keep thinking about it and they keep calling us for information. If you're a sharp young guy, a sharp young lady, and you're looking for the next sales career, this is certainly the place to go. We have a business, a culture, a future with a promise. Apparently, as we're up 25% or so from last year from what I'm told, this is the industry you want to be in. So we are looking for the sharper people. Maybe you've had some sales experience, not necessarily in insurance. That certainly doesn't help, it doesn't hurt either, pardon me. If you're looking for an area that's going to give you some promise, some future for you and your family, all I can say is it works for me. And lastly, in the background, we're here in Barcelona. Once you make one of these excursions, you'll never miss another one. So let me wish you all well. Hope for you and the best and your family. We're here for you.
Hello, I'm David Reinhardt, Divisional Vice President for the Mid-American Division of LTC Financial Partners. I'm joining you from Barcelona, Spain today to take some time to talk to you about our Leading Producer Conference and our opportunity with LTC Financial Partners. It's the top people in our company that are here today celebrating a year of hard work of helping families come to a determination to make a plan for their family as they go forward. Long-term care is a crisis occurring in America, and we're looking for the best of the best to join with us in a mission of helping to educate America as to what their options are with long-term care. It's a career that you can believe in. It's a career that is extremely profitable for you and your family when you do the right thing every day. I talk to people every day who are looking at making a change in their career. They've been involved in sales for a number of years and they no longer find the passion. What I want to invite you to do is to investigate LTC Financial Partners and find a passion for why you have a career. We have an opportunity where every day you can reach out to people, help them make a decision about what they're going to do with their long-term care planning, and you can be paid very well to do that. You get paid for doing the right thing. It's a type of a career that not only when you make great money throughout the year to support your family, you get to attend events like the one we're at today in Barcelona, Spain, with the top producers.
Hi, my name is Laura Weber. I'm from Southern California. And are you looking for a place to go where your opportunities are not limited? If you're very good at what you do and you're very motivated and you have talent and you have skills and you want to take it to the top, this is the place. I am just finishing my first year. I am number 4 in the country. And this is a company that everyone will help you get to where you want to be with no false hopes. Everything they say is true. And I just can't tell you that there's any better place for you to be if you're a go-getter and you want to achieve, you want help, and you want to be with people that believe in helping each other and being there for each other.